Okay, now I'm gonna go to the Weeping Tower. So the Weeping Tower is where like when the sailors would sail off to the sea, then all their women go to this tower to weep. That's why it's called the Weeping Tower. So I learned that from our tour guide yesterday. Oh, and here's the back of, oh shit. Here's the back of the Amsterdam gate. There's a Jolly Joker. Alright, I'll go with this one. I think this is called Chinatown. So if you can see this, the street signs or the street names, they also have a Chinese translation. So yesterday when we were doing the walking tour, I should have done the video when we were walking. So oh, look at that one. That's pretty cool. Like all the narrow streets. So the walking tour, it's like you walk and then you stop at a site, and then the tour guide will talk about the site or stories or the history, all that good stuff. So I should have just taken video when we were walking, but not the talking. Oh, look at this one. It's pretty big for Amsterdam. Okay, I'm gonna keep walking. I guess I'll walk in the middle of the street to get a better view. So, see the street signs? They're in Chinese. Okay, where should I go? That looks really cool over there. Like this one. Okay, I'm gonna go check the map. Okay, I'm gonna head this way. So, I don't know if you can notice, but Amsterdam is probably like the most diverse city in the world. So the tour guide yesterday said that Amsterdam is home to over 180 nationalities. Think of that. 180, over 180. They have like almost, they have people from every country in the world. And I know there's a lot of tourists too, but like all the tourists also came from so many different countries. So like yesterday with our tour group, they had me from the U.S. and then one from Korea, from the Czech Republic, Germany, the UK, Mexico, what was that one? South Africa. Oh my gosh, yeah, get them all. Yeah, I think that's it. So yeah, that was cool. Oh, and India. So it was cool that not like one group, not more than one group came from like more than one. Wait, what am I trying to say? Jesus. Every group within our group, like couple or solo, we all came from different countries. So that's pretty cool. And there's a gay bar right here. It's like the Queen something, I think. I still want to try the Indonesian beef rendang. So yeah, the Indonesian restaurant I went to yesterday didn't have it. Oh, there it is. It's the Queen's Head. So that's the gay bar. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna go this way. It's pretty narrow.
Dit is niet beuze zakken. Nee, zakken.
前面右转应该就可以停了。
So there's so many tourists. Oh, look at that. That's a big one for a narrow canal. So anyway, so there's so many tourists. So I think that's why it's so expensive in Europe, because they can jack up the price, and people will still pay for all this stuff. They don't care because they want to go to Europe. Oh look, Molly Malone's. And this is the back of the church or cathedral. Or is it Basilica? I don't know. I have to look it up. Look at all the bicycles. where's the Weeping Tower? Somewhere in here. Could this be it? I think this is it. I'm gonna have to check my Google Maps to see if that's the right one. Okay, I Googled it, and this is the Weeping Tower right there. And the church, the one that we passed by, is the Basilica of Saint Nicholas. So, okay, here I'm gonna show you the canal. I'm gonna do 360. Well, not 360, more like 270. Okay, not 270, more like 180. And back to the Weeping Tower. Okay, this looks really cool because you can see the church. I think that's the old church. And then that side is actually like is an island or reclaimed land, and that's where they have the main station, Amsterdam Centraal. So I'm gonna walk to the Basilica of Saint Nicholas, so we can see the front. Okay, look how expensive. Like a meal is like 20 euros minimum. And then plus you have to pay for the drink, and the drink is like 5 euros. So I actually checked at the supermarket, and the beer that I buy, the Stronghold, the Apple Bandit, it's $1.70, and at the bars I pay like 5.50, 6 euros. OMG, it's like more than three to four times as much. The one in Berlin, they only charge like twice as much. Like you buy it at the store for like 2 euros, and then at the bar it's like 4 euros. Oh, here's Mario. Here's the Basilica. Wonder if it's free to get in. I'm gonna check it out. Okay, so I went in and I tried to I wanted to take photos, but first thing I saw, it says no photography, so I couldn't take a picture, but it was very nice. And the other cool thing too is that they actually have tap to pay machines for the donations. I mean, I don't go to church much, or I don't go to church a lot. Like, actually, I don't really go to church, but I've never seen like a tap to pay machine for the church donations. So I thought it was pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna keep walking. I'm gonna, where should I go? Okay, I'll just go this way. Oh, look at that one. That building is sideways. I mean, it's crooked. It's not level. But it's not gonna fall.